Hello and welcome to another Mortgage Minute with Erik Maya. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get these videos on a regular basis. Today I want to talk about cash out refinances. First of all, what's a cash out refinance? That's when you tap into the equity into your home and utilize that money for a number of things. So number one, the way that a cash out refinance is calculated is we take your property's value and we give you 80% of that minus your mortgage, minus your payoff, and the difference goes back to you in equity for a number of things. What are the top three things that people use the equity in their home for? Number one is to pay off high interest rate debt. Number two, now with COVID and a lot of people working from home, you may be looking at doing a home office or a pool or just updating your home. That's another reason that people take equity out of their home. And number three, to reinvest. The stock market has a high rate of return, so a lot of my clients take out equity from their home to invest in the stock market because it has on average about an 8% rate of return. If you have any questions about cash out refinances or getting pre-approved, please feel free to reach out to me or anyone on my team at any time. Hope you have a great day.